Now you're in my kitchen. I want to show you this Tigwin apple peeler and corer that I ordered on Amazon. It's a piece of cake to assemble. You just have to screw this handle on, this wooden handle on. The rest of it's ready to go. In fact, that threw me off because I was expecting it to be something more difficult. They send you extra parts, and I thought, what do I do with these things? But they're just extra parts. But anyway, let me show you. This thing, first of all, let me show you. You can lift it up, no electricity, easy to roll with. But so you can put it anywhere. You don't have to put it next to your two outlets in your kitchens, because this will go anywhere you want to put it. And then you are able to, here we go, push this down, and that locks it in place. So it's a one-handed deal, which is going to be good because I'm going to have to show you this in just a second. The next thing you have to do, this was very confusing for me. This little lever right here, you push it back. In fact, I had to use a wire pliers the first time to push it back because it didn't want to push. But this is right here on this grid. Now, what I have to do is I have to push it back, and then I have to pull this weapon of destruction all the way back here, and then I'm going to lock it in place. So I'm going to have to do that, and then I'm going to show you how it works.